everybody, Maze here with an amazing new product to clean your motorcycle. It's the ShamWow. Oh, hold on. Okay, it's actually Pledge Multi Wipes. They're good stuff. A word of warning if you're anywhere near bees. Bees love the smell, and they will come check it out. In fact, I hear a bee right now. Go away, bee. These really are great for cleaning up your bike. You can slip them in your saddlebags. I've traveled across several states and found out there was a bike show and slapped this all over and it cleaned right up. Not this bike, previous bike. My VTX 1800 had won several awards for being so cool. Actually, I won a touring bike category, and it's just a cruiser like this. But look at that, you don't need water. I was filming, had the look at that, look how shiny. Look at all the dirt it picks up. I had my phone in the little holder there and filming a couple cool rides yesterday. And then when I was done, I noticed that my windshield was filthy. Hadn't been cleaned in a while. And so you couldn't see much, and it's really sucky because there was a deer ran out in front of me. Well, next to the road, not in front of me. I may have exaggerated a little. He ran alongside the road. Anyway, you could barely, if at all, see that and things like that. Look at it. It's really good on chrome. And there are a couple of cool neighborhoods I rode through, and with water spots on the windshield. It was sucky. And another thing, ever since I got my new brakes installed, one of them's been squealing terribly. And I need to come out and clean it, the wheel, get the brake dust that was sticking to it and squeaking. Hopefully I got it, or got it enough. But look at this, just a wipe. Look how clean and shiny. It's good stuff. So, if you've got a motorcycle, try the new ShamWow. The Pledge Wipes. Awesome stuff. And that's all I've got today. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day and a great apocalypse. Bye! Hey y'all, I'm back, in case you couldn't tell. So, funny story. I finished cleaning this up. Went to start it so I could test the brakes, make sure they're clean and not gonna fail on me because there's water on the pads or something, rotors, I don't know. And nothing happened. Hit the starter, nothing. Tried putting it in gear and then out of gear and rocking it. Nothing. The kickstand, nothing. Got online, did a crash course on solenoids and starters and relays and fuses, and finally someone mentioned the little red button, the kill switch, which I happened to hit while I was cleaning. After hour or 2 or 3 of panic, I realized I hit the freaking kill switch. And look. All that panic because of a stupid thing. Now, if you excuse me, I have to go kick myself. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.